Hello, good afternoon. My name is Downey. Um, I'll describe my favorite restaurant. My favorite restaurant is McDonald's. I like going to McDonald's because they service food quickly and and the burgers are delicious. I love the fries. The prices is very affordable. For example, you can gets a deal on a drink and a burger for 20 quetzales. I recommend it because they provide good service and always greet you with a smile. Visit these restaurants and you won't regret it. Thank you for attention. Goodbye.